Today I'll show you how easy it is to clone a website, particularly cloning a login page, getting the username and the password. And the scariest part of all is that it's really easy to do, and you can do it in minutes. Remember to smash the like button so that I do not clone another Hacker Loy to go after you. And remember to hit the subscribe and turn on notifications so that whenever we clone Hacker Loy, you get notified. And big disclaimer, hacking is illegal. If you want to do any of these hacking activities, only hack yourself. Alright, do not go after and try to hack Hacker Loy. So right in front of us, we have Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is going to be our hacker's computer to go after the website by cloning the website login page, and then after which we can send that link over to a user, giving us the ability to harvest their usernames and all of their passwords. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Terminal on the top left corner. So you can see right here on the top left corner, you can select under the terminal. All right, so let's go ahead and click on that. So once you select on that, all right, go ahead and zoom a little more so it's easier for you to see. And what you want to do now is go ahead and enter Super User Do, all right, SE Toolkit. So this stands for Social Engineering Toolkit. So it's a way for us to use social engineering as part of the attack. So let's go ahead and hit enter on this. Enter your password to start up the Social Engineering Toolkit. And right here, this is the place where we are. And we want to go ahead and select under number 1, social engineering attacks. This is going to be the place for us to run the attack against that particular site that we're going to clone. So let's go ahead and clear that and go ahead and hit 1, social engineering attacks. And now we will select item number 2. So you can see right here, we have website attack vectors. Okay, so let's go ahead and select on that. Okay, so what we want to do now is under item number 3. So item number 3 is credential harvester attack method. So this is the place where we'll begin the process of collecting the usernames and the password for launching the attack. So what you want to do now is go ahead once again, right, enter number 3. And this is the part where we're going after site cloner. We want to go ahead and target the website under site cloner so that we can clone a site really quickly in seconds, and then after which we can begin serving the content. So let's go ahead and do just that. All right, so enter number 2. And here's the really interesting part, okay? We want to enter the IP address that we will be using as part of launching the attack. So we can enter, right? So in this case, we have the IP address of Kali Linux, which is 192.168.0.192. Hit enter on that. And then this is where we want to target a URL. And guess where we're targeting? We are going to be targeting Hacker Loy. Yes, we'll be hacking Hacker Loy. Let's go ahead and enter HTTPS. All right, followed by www.loyliangyang.com/wp-admin. This is the login page to Hacker Loy's website, okay? And it states the following. Cloning the website right now, as you can see, all right? And you can see over here, this could take a little bit, and you can see right here, we got the information running. The Social Engineer Toolkit Credential Harvester attack. Credential Harvester is running on port 80. Information will be displayed to you as it arrives below. All right, so this helps us very quickly to be able to set up a cloning site. Let's go ahead and take a look exactly how that site looks like by entering the IP address. All right, as you can see here, this is the IP address of Kali Linux, and I've already entered this. My goodness, we're just cloning login page in seconds. Now going back here, all I gotta do, so if I'm a user and I got a link to this site, when I click login with username and password, I clicked on it, I enter, say, username Hacker Loy, and now I enter the password, okay? So you have no idea what password I'm entering. All right, I will show you in a second what that looks like when we go back to Social Engineering Toolkit. So I click login, that's it, it's game over. All right, so if I go back to the terminal, you can see right here, this is the following result that we gotten, okay? Param, Hacker Loy, and password Hacker Loy is very handsome. So in a few minutes time, we managed to clone the login page of a website, and in this time around, we were targeting Hacker Loy's website. And at the same time, we managed to get the username and the password of Hacker Loy. What do you think of the password? Is that a good password to use? I think it's an awesome password to use, and perhaps you should be changing all of your password to that password too. Additionally, do not try cloning Hacker Loy's website and then trying to harvest Hacker Loy's information, because if you do so, Hacker Loy can find you. And if he finds you, something really bad may be happening to you. Just kidding, guys. Just do it only on the website in which you own and to understand more about how all this hacking software works. Now, the next question is, can we take this to the next level by allowing this website to be made available on the public internet? The answer is yes, we can do just that using ngrok for us. So what you can do now is go ahead and open up another terminal. All right, so in this case, what you can do is search whether you have ngrok already available inside your machine. So you can enter locate ngrok. And I have it right here, okay? So you can see it right here. It's under Loy Liang Yang, and then it's under ngrok, okay? So we can navigate over there and be able to use it immediately. So what you can do now is to enter pwd for the print working directory. So in case you're lost, you have no idea where you are, you can enter pwd to know exactly which directory you're currently located at. So this can help you find your way out. So what you can do now is go ahead and enter /ngrok and hit enter on this, and it will show you examples of how you can use ngrok. So in this case, we can enter ngrok followed by HTTP, all right? And then we can enter 80, okay? So I can enter / to execute this and hit enter on this. So once you enter on that, you can see the following. We have the forwarding and we have the HTTP link. So I can do a right click, I can open the link, and this would open up a browser for us over here, as you can see. And we can see right here, we got a browser being opened up, and it brings us right away into the login page. And you can see that this is available and accessible from anywhere on the internet. So they can send it to the target user, and unbeknownst to them, when they clicked on it, they would think that it is a login page, a legitimate login page, and then they will enter the user information. Say, for example, in this case, I can enter hacker Loy, and I can enter another password. All right, hacker Loy is awesome. Okay, and I click login, and once again, I go back over into the terminal, and I can see right here we have another hit. And you can see right here we have the hit. Once again, hacker Loy, and the password of hacker Loy is awesome. So this is how the hackers do it. They clone a website login page, and what they do next is that they will then furnish this particular link to the internet, and whoever clicks on it may think of it as a legitimate site. So it's very important for you to verify who are those people sending you those links. So if it's sent from me, you must definitely click on it because I am a legitimate user. So once again, I hope you learned something valuable in today's tutorial. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you can be kept abreast of the latest ethical hacking and penetration testing tutorial. Thanks so much once again for watching.